tick like you a clock. Once upon a time you arched up and broke your back. Once upon a time you used to love what you were act. Then me tell you say me love you but me want it back. You're the way you put it on me. You're the way me breast upon you. You're the way.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I know this is not your first time visiting my channel, but if it is, welcome. My name is Melanin and I post videos about beauty, fashion, my life, hair, pretty much just like everything. Welcome to my channel. For this video, we're actually gonna talk about this hair right here. Yeah, it's not my hair, you guys. This is a wig. Like, hold up. Yes, this is 100% a wig, and I am so into it. You know what the funny part about this? This is literally straight out the box. Literally, this is straight out the box. The part is apart. That's one. It is completely apart, and the curls are just so soft. They're coiled, nicely coiled, and very, very natural feeling. Like, it literally feels so natural, and I am literally just like obsessed. I can already tell that this is gonna be a go-to wig for me. Like, it's so easy. You literally just put it on, fluff it out, and you're ready to go. So my only thing about this is just that it's really hot. I mean, it is summertime, so it's literally like 90 degrees every day, and this will literally get you to 100 degrees, okay? I can definitely tell, like, wearing this will probably be when I'm indoors, when I'm not gonna be like outside all day, every day. Like, that's not gonna work. But really though, I am seriously feeling this hair, and this is actually from Divatress. Yes, it is. It is completely synthetic, but with a lace front and lace front middle part. Yeah. And it does also have two clips right here and a clip in the back. It also comes with the adjustable straps as well. So it is very easy to manipulate it. And I feel like this wig would be such a great starter for beginners if you're not really into wigs like that. I feel like this is the perfect protective style you can start with because it's just so easy. It's so easy. This is the wig. It is from Sensationnel and it's called Rule Breaker in the color number 4. So number 4, it is like very more on the brown side, which I like because I feel like if I go like 1B, which is like black, it would be too black and too dark and too harsh for my skin. So I usually go for like a number 4 or a number 2. And then actually what I didn't know about this wig is that it is a 3-way parting. So you can part in the middle, you can part on the side, and then you can also part on the other side as well, which is so great. So which means it's literally versatile. You can wear it in any style. Although I wouldn't recommend like pulling it up. And it's pretty much the same for all my wigs that I use with an adjustable strap. I will usually get that like gap right in here, and I'll show you guys. I get like a gap right in here because, you know, my head's so small. So yeah, that I can't go like all the way up because then you will see the gap. But what I can do, which I probably will, is like an up, down, kind of, you know, top up, top down. I mean, top up, back down. Y'all know what I mean. But yeah, so it is pretty versatile. It comes in many different colors, and then it's super easy to maintain as well. I mean, it's usually how you maintain regular synthetic wigs. If you guys don't know how to do that, let me know in the comment section. I can definitely shoot a video and show you guys how I take care of my synthetic wigs, and they usually last me quite a while. It does come with baby hairs, but the baby hairs weren't so much baby hairs, I feel like. When I tried to like style it and try to like maneuver the baby hairs, it just like was not working. So I actually just did like my natural hair as the baby hair on the sides a little bit, just so, you know, it kind of does look like not that natural feel. But besides that, I mean, you generally don't really need baby hairs for this look because it's so big and it's so fluffy. It really just has like its own life on its hands. So I really do just feel like it kind of just looks great on its own. And I rarely ever think that about wigs. For me, I feel like I always have to like personalize my wigs, especially for curly wigs like this. I would usually have to shape it to my face, making sure, you know, like all of this strand, I would probably like cut this down a little bit. But I kind of like the shape that it already has. So yeah, I am loving this hair a lot. If you can't tell, I really am just like, it's giving me like Diana Ross kind of vibes. And it's the really good thing about this is that obviously like with curly hair, it gets tangled and there's a lot of shedding and stuff like that. I haven't had any shedding. I feel that this hair is just very, very on the natural side. Like, it does seem like this could be my natural hair, which is exactly what I'm going for. Like, I mean, who doesn't want that? Overall, I think this hair is literally a must-have. Like, you have, like, if you wear wigs like that, you have to have that like super cool curly wig that's super easy to use, super like, it's so accessible, so convenient. This is that wig. 100% this is that wig. Actually just like very shocked, and I'm like shook actually. I'm very shook that it came out like so natural. It's so easy. I'm in love. I'm absolutely in love. Like, I can't even complain about it. The only thing I could say is like just making, if it is a 3-way part wig, then that should be like noticeable that it would be a 3-part wig. Like, I was literally looking around searching like, where is the other part, like where are the other parts, more so just like finding like space between wefts or something, and obviously that's not a part, but yeah, just making that more noticeable, making sure like if it is supposed to be a 3-part wig, then I could clearly see the 3 parts. That's just it. Like, really, that's just it. But besides that, I really have no other complaints about this hair. Like, I'm very excited to see how it holds up because I really feel like this is going to be my summer hair. I really feel like this is going to be the hair that I'm going to be wearing all summer. Like, I feel so fabulous right now. Like, ooh, who is that? Who is that? But yeah, I just want to thank Divatress for sending me this hair because, oh my gosh, I love it so much. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up. And obviously, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and also turn on your notifications bell so you get notified every time I do post a new video. I will put this in the description box below. They do have a coupon code that you could use and get 10% off your sale. That's correct. You can get 10% off just using the coupon code that I'm going to put up on the screen right now. And that applies to all the newcomers to Divatress. Also have a July 4th sale, of course, so you guys can get some goodies for less price, which means savings, which I'm all about. Yeah, I'm going to go now. Bye.